what does a lock mean on Snapchat story? So if you go to Snapchat and you click on the chat icon at the very bottom, and if you see a circle sign with a lock symbol on it next to their profile, then what that means is that person has shared a private story. Now this means that only a few selected people can see their story, and that person has added you as one of the person that can see their private story. So only certain people will be able to see it. And you can also make your story private as well, and you can do that by just click a photo and go ahead and click on next. So you'll see next to stories over here, there's a plus new story sign. So click on that and go ahead and click new private story. So you'll be able to select which people can see your story. So just tick mark next to the people that you want to see your story. And that is it. So that is how you can make your story private, and that is what a lock means on Snapchat story.